back down. And the cache...
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Washington County in southwestern Utah until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, specifically Hilldale. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding is expected. Thunderstorms with intense rainfall are moving into the Hilldale area and are expected to move up the headwaters of Short Creek shortly. Flash flooding along Short Creek is expected to begin soon. Additionally, this rainfall is expected to create urban flooding across the city. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hilldale. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Utah,